First, you remove the cap off the brake fluid. Then you turn your wheel to make it easier to access the caliper screws and all the different screws that you need to take off. So it's better if you rotate your wheel. Let your car work for you. This here was a 15 millimeter. Remember, time is tight, so you always want to turn it the opposite way of time. And that opens that up. Same down here. That opens that up. Alright, take that off. Take this off. Alright. Next, this is a 17 millimeter. And that's for this right here. All right. You want to hang this so you don't damage the brake line. I improvised there, tied it up. It's actually a cell phone charger. Couldn't find the bungee cord, so I tied it up. So that's off. This we can just take off. Alright. So we took this off. These brake pads are gone, as you can see. These are the Rotors. Very old and rusty. Got two screws. Don't know if you can see one right there. Another screw right there. I'm gonna try to take those off with the drill. Did a bump in the road. One screw came off. This one is stuck. It's not yet stripped. Stuck. So we got a little trick for it. This is a drill. So we drilled in that. Now we're just gonna take a flathead . Take it out. Then the rotor should come off easily. That's the old rotor. Now what we want to do is remove these pins right here. Now we want to wipe them both down. Want to wipe that down. Try to clean in there as much as possible. You know? Look at all that. If that's not properly lubricated, it causes one brake pad to unevenly wear out. That's lubricant. Use that lubricant for brakes. Brake caliper lubricant. Ugh. That's it. Next thing you gotta do is compress. The brake caliper right here. It was extended all the way to here, and when you compress it, it pushes back brake fluid up. That's why we open the cap. So now that's compressed. The front ones you can use this clamp, but for the back brakes you need a special tool. I have that in one of my other videos. Alright, these are the old brake pads. Got the new brake pads back on. Alright, ready to go. Alright, That's it. New rotors. Brake pads are back on. Put one screw in. This doesn't really matter, this other one, you know, because these things are here. This is clamped, and once you put the lug nuts back on to this and the tire, that's not going anywhere, so we're gonna be fine. Right, well, hopefully this has been helpful. Take care.
Hello again. Thank you for listening to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to drop the video a like and subscribe to us if you're new. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think.